Right, we've got to do this quickly again. I'm going to rush into a trade. Give me a sec. Euro USD buys, right? And then I'll explain to you what's happened since the last video, because there's a few things we need to clear up. So buy done on Euro USD. So basically, since the last video, I've realised I am becoming an alcoholic. For you lot, it's fine because it's Christmas. But today is Thursday now, and it's 12:53. And I'm already on a new bottle of rum. And you know what? I've established I'm a better trader while drunk. I don't know why, okay? Obviously, I'm not saying the secret to success is being drunk. But if you actually have a look, Mogwai Reversal, these are the trades today. Okay, these are the trades today. So as you can see here, I'm literally on 100% win ratio. You'll actually see my entire week. Look, TP hit on UC 8-0 now. Literally, like, I've been smashing it. TP hit on AU 7-0. And you'll actually see my results last night. Here, look, literally. Boom, 7 grand for the week. I don't know what it is. This was yesterday. So this was yesterday's results. And then obviously today's down here. But yeah, good start to the day. A lot of BD members still smashing it. If you look at the Renko group, BD members are absolutely smashing it with the Renko. Literally, I'm not joking you. Phenomenal. I mean, look at this. Buy, look, as soon as the MACD Mogwai, buy, MACD Mogwai oversold, sell, buy, MACD oversold, buy, sell, buy. It's literally buy and sell. Literally. Amazing, isn't it? Literally Renko. So the thing about Renko is that it makes it look so simple, doesn't it? You know, when you look at candlesticks, you've got this messy chart, right? You've got this messy chart, candlestick wicks, price going sideways, and it's like, yep, Renko just makes everything more simpler. If in fact, actually, if I just show you, look, I've got Renko on my charts now. Let's just bring up a blank chart. So let's look at GPUSD, right? Watch this, look. So let's make this bigger, right? So we'll go to, we're going to bring up the template. We'll bring up Renko. So basically, this is just the Mogwai strategy. That's all it is, right? But look at this, right? So 1 minute time frame. Look at this, right? So we've got some sells, Mogwai arrow, again, Mogwai arrow down here, see this, right? But just look at the candlesticks, right? Look at it, right? Look at this kind of big news event. Look at that, right? The moment you go to Renko, look how much different the charts look. Look, it's weird, isn't it? It's amazing. It's like, it's the same price, it's the same currency pair, just completely different. But there's a nice, in fact, two nice little sells with Renko. Mogwai signal, as soon as we close below the TCA line, 5 or 10 pips. There's another one just there as well. So Mogwai signal, MACD overbought. As soon as we close below the TCA line, you would have got a few pips. Same again here. As soon as we close below that TCA line, 5 or 10 pips. I don't really trade Renko. I literally just trade, obviously, you know, Mogwai Reversal strategy. Anyway, right. So what have I learned since the last video, right? So you know that trade on Aussie US dollar, right? I swear to God, right? Welcome to the life of a full-time trader. This is what happened in the last video. So I took a trade, Aussie US dollar, buy. Do you remember? I'll show you the trade, right? So let me go to Aussie US dollar, right? I'll show you the trade, okay? It's going to be down here somewhere. Here it was here. Here we go here. So I took this trade like this here, right? And you remember I said I was going to go for a 10 pip stop loss, 20 pip take profit, right? That's the plan. What happened was my mate came through the door as soon as I pressed pause on the video, and he said, Jamie, we're going out to the pub. I was like, yeah, okay, whatever, we'll go. Okay, it's Christmas. So I thought, right, okay, I can't manage the trade because I'll be down the pub, so I'll move the stop loss. I'll go for a 1-to-1. 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. An hour and a half later, I looked at the charts on my phone and this happened. A massive spike. And I sat there and I thought, please make sure I did not set a take profit. Please. The only time I wish I hadn't set a take profit, I rushed back to my house. I was like, please, please, load up C-Trader. Please still be open. Please still be open trade, because I would have doubled the account in one trade. Like, that would have made some good YouTube content, wouldn't it? You know, I doubled the account in one trade. I went straight on C-Trader, and what happened? No. I got 10 pips. I was like, no, you didn't do that to me. That's the life of a trader. That always happens, okay? Even if you've been trading for 7 years and you make loads of money and you are experienced, right? You're still going to have times like this. It's like a reality check. Like, who's the boss of the market? The market is. That is it. And sometimes it just reminds you, you know, what could have been. What could have been was I could have made loads of money, but hey, it is what it is. Anyway, buy on Euro USD. So, second day, so what have I took? I took a buy on Euro USD. I bet you this one will lose now. How annoying, right? I'm currently on like an 8-0 running streak, okay? So why did I take this trade? Okay, so first of all, we're above the moving average, okay? So Mogwai signal, Mogwai reversal strategy. So above the moving average. We're creating higher highs. It's great, you know, etc., etc. When's the MACD crossed over? Just here. So, you know, we've got a Mogwai signal. We've got the MACD oversold here. Okay. So obviously I have entered this trade a little bit late. My stop loss is always around the moving average. So the idea is a nice little 1 to 2 with the trend. So stop loss on this one will probably be 10 pips again. So 10 pip stop loss, 10 pip take profit. I mean, hold on, not 10 pip take profit, 20 pip take profit. So this is trade number 2. Trade number 2, okay? I'm not worrying too much at the minute. Like I said, we're currently, I think we're about minus 6 pips. Does it tell me? No, it doesn't tell me. Why don't you tell me? Oh, minus, just says minus 60. I don't know. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to sit and watch this. I'm not going to make the set. Oh, I see, I might get stopped out. The question we need to ask, though, is the EMA. If we break that EMA, I will close the trade off in a loss, because I always try and put my stop loss below or above the EMA. And I always have a rule, if you remember my last video, don't take a trade if it touches the EMA, because most likely if it touches the EMA, it's going to cross over, right? So that's why I tend to avoid it. But we'll see what happens. New York open is just literally open, so we're going to get a massive move of volatility, hopefully to the upside. That would be nice. What I'll do is I'm going to pause the video, I'm going to come back, I'm going to carry on drinking my rum, and hopefully I will win this trade. So I'll come back. Okay, update on my position. So Euro USD stopped me out, as you can see here. Rather annoying, it stopped me out. In fact, I actually closed it off at minus 5 pips. I'll show you the trade, Euro USD. Basically, well, my fault. New York opens, like literally, I started my trading session literally when New York opened up. So hence why you've got this sudden spike like that there. But when we come close to the EMA, I normally close it off in a loss. So is what it is. I've entered a buy on GPJPY. As you can see here, so same again, Mogwai signal, MACD's gone oversold, we're above the moving average, should be able to get a 1-to-1 on that one. I just closed off, this is my main account for the day, magically 100% on my main account, but on this small account, no, get a loss. Hey, who would have thought? So NZUSD, that was the sell. I'll actually show you that. We were actually in this trade for ages. This was the trade. Look at this here, right? Literally, look. When I say we were in the trade for ages, look. We took the trade, and then it literally just went sideways before dropping. And it's still dropping now, but I tend to just close it off at a 1-to-1 when it's like that. So obviously, the only trade we're in at the minute is GPJPY, which has just gone into profit. Thank you very much. We should get a 1-to-1 on that one. What I'll do is I'll just sit there and watch the trade, see what happens. As you can see here, so I might just, what we at now, I don't know how many pips I'm in. It doesn't tell me the pips on C-Trade. I'll just go with 15 pips. There we go there. 15 pip take profit. What I'm going to do is I'll just sit and watch the trade. So hopefully we break this high here. That's the main important thing. We break the high. But equally, what's also important is moving that stop loss, locking in those profits. Start to learn to manage your positions. It's not just all about following a strategy, okay? Because it's all about managing as well. Because I was about to say, Michael, hold on, sorry, my dog was barking. As I was saying, Michael Austin that created this, here we go, here, watch this, right? What I'm gonna do is okay, apparently I did hit 15 pips. Apparently it did hit 15 pips. Okay, it closed off in take profit. There you go there. That was rather annoying. I don't know why C-Trader doesn't tell me this. I bet you this trade will go off now. But anyway, what I was saying is that Michael Austin that created this strategy goes for tight stop losses, big 1-to-3 risk reward ratios. He goes for minimum 1-to-3. Just to show you, if you actually go into the group here, you'll actually see some of his trades. Try and find you them because they're very... is it that one there? Might be that one. No, he's trading off his mobile phone. Here we go here. So this is Michael Austin. He will always go for a minimum 1-to-3. Okay, try and find you some more. Try and find you... Try and find you. Give me a sec here. Is it before that one? After? No. Anyway, basically, he goes for a minimum 1-to-3. Doesn't touch the trade. Doesn't manage it. Fixed stop loss. Fixed take profit. And I always say to everyone, when it comes to learning your strategy or come to trading the strategy, you need to trade what works for you, what you feel comfortable doing. So for Michael Austin, he'll trade the Mogwai Reversal strategy and he'll go for a minimum 1-to-3. So he'll get stopped out quite a lot, okay? But you win, when you have a win, you win in 3 times more money, right? That's fine. Makes a lot of money. It's a low win ratio. He loses more trades, but he makes money, right? Full-time trader. Then there's me that will trade the exact same strategy, but I tend to go for a wider stop loss. So I don't get stopped out as often. However, I don't win my trades on big winners like Michael Austin's are. Okay, so I get stopped out less. It means I have a higher win ratio, but you know, my targets are 1-to-1, 1-to-2. And it's about what you feel comfortable doing, right? You shouldn't be forced to do something in trading that you don't feel comfortable doing because you're not going to enjoy it. And if you're not going to enjoy it, you're not going to put much time and effort into it. And ultimately, it's a, you know, self-destruction. You're just not going to trade, right? You'll end up giving up. But if you enjoy something, right, you put more effort into it. It's like a hobby. Why do you have a hobby? Why do you spend £20,000? I mean, I don't know how much golf clubs cost, but imagine spending £10,000 on golf clubs, right? From a financial side of things, not worth it. It's like, why would you spend all that money playing golf if you can't play golf, if you're rubbish at it? And it's like, because I like playing it, you know, it's my hobby. It's a bit like trading, right? Yes, you're going to lose money in the start, but if you enjoy it and you enjoy what you're doing and the strategy, it's all worth it in the end because you're learning a skill that only 1% can do. So, GPJPY, what I might do as well is we've technically in 2 days, we've made 12% in 2 days. 2 trades, 12%. What I might do is I might try and find one more trade because now New York has opened. We're going to get a change of direction. We're going to get a change of direction with currency pairs. As you can see here, Euro USD during London was trending up. It's now potentially trending down. So I'm just going to have a quick look at all the currency pairs. You can see some of the trades we've took this morning. Gold, we got a 1-to-1 on that one. Euro USD, this was that trade that I closed off. Looking back now, I'm fine with that. I made the right decision there. GPUSD, I don't like this one. The MACD's gone oversold. We're now in an uptrend, but look how far we've been in an uptrend. Okay, see how long we've been in an uptrend for? So it's like, I want to buy down here, not up there, if that makes sense. You know, you want to be buying like on the first pullback, just there. That, see here, Mogwai signal pullback with the MACD. That's the first pullback. There's where you want to be buying, right? You buy there. You don't buy at the top here because that'd be stupid, okay? And it's common sense when you think about it. Simple, common sense trading, right? That is it. Nothing complicated. The hardest part is you and how you manage your trading. Aussie US dollar, we're going into a downtrend, might get a pullback. That'll be great. USD CAD, I've already took it to sell on USD CAD this morning. As you can see here, trend down, pullback, the first pullback. Okay, obviously, look, there's a difference. First pullbacks, big trades. USD Chef, nothing on there. NZ USD, again, well, obviously, I just closed that sell off. You watched me do that. USD JPY, nothing on there. GP JPY, well, obviously, I've closed that off at 15 pips. It's annoying that Go Markets or C-Trader doesn't tell me how many pips it is. This was a well annoying trade. A BD member called this. Look how annoying this one is. This is like a perfect setup, and I missed it. Look at that one. Look at this one. Look. See, stop loss. Let's say a stop loss of 13 pips, right? A stop loss of 13 pips. Look at the trade, right? The trade, bang. Still going up here now. Beautiful. Trend up. Mogwai signal. Pullback. MACD. Clean. Nice and clean. Simple. So what I'm going to do, again, another one, Aussie Chef, another sell there. Look at this one, first pullback. Again, let's go. I mean, look at this one, even tighter stop loss on this one. Look at this one, 7 pip stop loss. Okay, you would have got 14 pips out of that one. Yeah, look, there you go there. So you would have got 1 to 2. Mogwai signal, pullback. Look at the clean setup. Look how clean they are. When they're clean and they're good, you get rewarded for it. If they're all messy, right, kind of avoid them, okay? They're not going to be the best setup. So I'm going to come back. We'll take one more trade, yeah? And then we'll come back. So I'll be back. Okay, so it's been around 20 minutes now, and I've decided I'm going to call that a day. New York has just opened, and there is a lot of news going around at the minute, as you can see here. So I'm just going to call it a day. I'm not going to sit here and wait for hours. I'm not going to force trades if no trades appear. I did actually load up my MT4 platform and was planning to take a Mogwai signal. So I've actually got 2 strategies at the minute on the go. Mogwai strategy and Mogwai Reversal. But again, I'm not going to force nothing if there's no setups. What you end up doing is just chasing trades. I'm trying to find something that is not there. Okay, which, top tip from experience, don't be chasing trades. But I want to show you something that's very interesting. Okay, if we look at the setups that we've took in today's session, right? And this is what I always say to you, right? If you're trading with the trend and it's with the trend, the trade will win, right? Yes, you're going to lose trades because you're going to get stopped out or your stop loss is going to be hit or whatever, right? But if you actually analyze the trade afterwards, you will realize that most of them will continue into an uptrend. It's just about timing that entry point with the trend. For example, GP Chef, look at that one there. First pullback, Mogwai signal, MACD had gone overbought. Okay, look at that one, beautiful. That one's sitting at now over a 1 to 3. Okay, nice trade. If we look at JPY, did I take this trade? Yeah, this was the last trade that I took, wasn't it? Look at this one, nice trade with the trend. Okay, what was that? You know, that's at nearly 60 pips. Same again, we're above the moving average. This is the first pullback, the MACD. Beautiful. Unfortunately, this is annoying. This is that one that closed me out a 15 pip take profit. It is what it is. Okay, another one. No setups on USD JPY, NZ USD, nothing on there. Look at the loss that we took on Euro USD. Look at the loss, right? But same again. Look, it is with the trend. Even though we got stopped out, the trade, look, 1 to 2, just boom. The reason why we got stopped out was simply because of this here. Market open, New York opened, and we don't want to be in trades when that happens. From that transitional period from London open to New York open, you don't want to trade during those times. And that's a prime example, right? Bang, stopping out, manipulation. However, it was still an uptrend. It was always going to be an uptrend. And that is what you should look at. That's the confidence building right there and say, you know what? I did the right thing. It was an uptrend. But the mistake I made was I took a trade during New York Open. But it is what it is. Hence why I closed it off in 5 pip stop loss. But again, that's what it is. So 12% up in 2 days, 2 wins, 1 loss. We will come back tomorrow and hopefully we can carry on making some money. So I'll see you in the next video.